Noahlitos World presents the Ginormous Unicorn Sprinkler, brought to you by Big Mouth Inc. It's your YouTube Daddy Matt, bringing you more than just facts. In fact, you're going to get an inside look from a uniquely relatable perspective that promises to never be deceptive, to always be a blessing, and to add value in his lessons, and to create all his content with the intent of educating, elevating, and entertaining. Without further ado, it's me, Matthew. It was a pleasure to introduce myself. Let's get right into it. We got the Ginormous Unicorn Sprinkler from Big Mouth Incorporated. We're going to unbox it. We're going to unfold it. We're going to blow it up. We're going to use the air compressor today to get this to happen. And as you can see, my air compressor didn't fit quite well, so I used my son's sock for a makeshift gasket, if you will, and it seemed to work out just fine, actually. We got it blowed up without a matter of minutes. It was way easy to set up, way easy to get the hose turned and get this thing up and going. Man, this is an awesome sprinkler. It keeps you cool and entertained. It attaches to any standard garden hose. It's great for parties and heat waves. It deflates and stores easily. It anchors to the ground and includes the ground. The anchoring includes the anchor kit. It deflates to approximately 100 by 34 by 80 inches and 254 by 86 by 203 centimeters for those of you on the metric system. This thing is awesome. What more can I say? It was a beautiful day. It was it's a fun, exciting product that was new to us, and new as far as I knew. I found it at Fred Meyer's. Thank you for Fred Meyer's for carrying such innovative, cool new stuff. And I've had the sprinkler for more than a disc today. I've had the sprinkler for a week now. I used it all over the yard for as a sprinkler to water my garden and do all kind of stuff with it, and it's still holding there. It's still standing strong. I've had to add a little bit more air to it since the original pumping up, but all in all, this is a great product. You know, you spend $59.99 on it, so I wanted to make sure and let people know that their money was well spent, you know, and that they were getting something that was going to be a lot of fun. And I'll let you guys know how it goes in a month from now, and 6 months from now. As always, I always do follow-up reviews to make sure you guys know how the products are actually the real life review, you know, how they're really handling up, not just the first day unboxing to see how pretty it is, but to see how it actually works and holds up. And I can't thank life, I can't thank God, and I can't thank this world and my people in this world enough for creating such a cool product, for letting me play with such a cool product, letting me purchase such a cool product, and then letting me express myself over this platform with such a cool product. I can't thank you guys enough. All of you guys, the people watching it, the people that helped me create this, and the people that inspired me to create this, and the people who created this product, period. I just love life. Thank you guys. Thank you, life. Thank you, Big Mouth Incorporated. 2 thumbs up for the Ginormous Unicorn Sprinkler. Noahlitos World. You can expect, every week you can expect us to do a review on the product. Every week you can expect us to have some fun, and every week I hope to add some value to your guys' life. So hit that like button, get that subscribe button. And as always, it's all love. It's all good. Catch you guys on the flip side.